cannot hear you. Some people are listening to me.
All nice today and hi, good evening. Can you hear me? Welcome to this training. Okay, okay.
Okay, take out the phone, like it.
All right, guys. Good evening. Welcome to this training. My name is David. You can see where I am. And I'm literally at church. I've been here all day because I needed to do some work because of light issue in my house area is really bad. All right. Okay, some people are asking for the link. I thought I dropped the link there. So please, let's get on board. Uh, as brief as possible. I shouldn't be recording this yet. Tonight's call is to show us how we can use Convert Kit to generate a simple landing page that everybody can use, even with your mobile phone. So I'm going to share my screen right now. Let me see. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Let's Convert Kit. So this is what we created. All right, this is what we create. It's still loading. It's still loading. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Convert Kits. Go to Convert Kits. If you can hear me and you're following, just let me know. All right, Convert Kit. You can see I just typed, I googled Convert Kit, right? And it came on board. Okay, Convert Kit. Now, we already have a template. We'll send everybody that template to use. Just copy and paste it. Oh, this thing has stopped. Start doing what it was doing before. Okay. Because I'm using my head good. So if you go to Convert Kit, you just see it just pop up like this. So what you want to do is to click on sign up. All right. So you use your what was it called? You use your email address. Sign up for free. Click on sign up for free. All right. Like I said, we already have a template here. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when it is done. Everyone will have access to this. You just copy and paste basically. Do you understand? This is what we're going to design. This is what we're going to build together, and it's very very easy. All right. So I'm going to use my other email because I already have an account. I already have an account, so it just takes me straight to my account. If I don't have an account, it will prompt me to put in my email address and a password. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Just type convertkit.com, click on the first thing you see there, sign up for free. It brings you where you get to input your email address and password. Now, the first place you want to go to is landing pages and forms. This is just a simple way for us to generate leads and move them from here to where they get the what's it called, the Zoom link, and they will come to our WhatsApp to get the Zoom link. All right. Note at the end of this training, we'll still be able to, of course, get their email address, phone number to follow up. But we felt that it would be easier if they come to us on WhatsApp. Even if they're not on WhatsApp, we still get their email and phone number, all right, to follow up on them. But this way, they can come to us directly, and we can now send the Zoom link to them. All right. So it is loading right now. So this is what we want to build. This is what we want to build. I don't know why this thing keeps uh good. All right, it's still loading. there a way I can? So this is yeah. I think it's my mouse. Each time I click on it, it just cancels sharing. I want to click on the dashboard. Okay, good. Okay, it's already showing here. Okay, and it's showing this because I've already created something. Confirm it. Okay, so let me go back to home page. Let me go back to the home page. All right. Um, let's show me some confirmed subscribers. Fine. So let's assume. So you come here and create new. You come here and create. So this is how it looks like when you are new. We just open it. All right. It shows you landing page and forms. All right. Just come here and create new. Can you see new here? Can you all see new? All right. You create new. I hope this is still recording. Let me check. All right. Good. So create new. Okay. Once you create new, you see, how do you want to get to gather subscribers? Is it through form or landing page? Just click on landing page. You click on landing page and it loads. Now you want to scroll down to webinar. Forget all these ones you are seeing here. It's still loading though. Just scroll down to webinar. It said all templates. All right, it's showing all templates. Just click on webinar templates. All right, it pops up. This is what we use. We used Franklin, the handsome guy who is putting his hand on his chin. So we use Franklin. So I'll click on choose. All right, like I said, you can use your mobile phone to do this. All right, you can use your mobile phone to do. However, you may have to use desktop view to be able to see everything very well. So remember, this is what we want to. This is what we want to build. I love this. Oh, where is it? I must have closed it, but no wahala. I'll just go back and copy that link. Where's that link? Where's that link? Where's that link? Okay. So I also want to show us what we want to build so that we can follow that exactly as it is. So this is what we want to build, all right? You can do this in less than 10 minutes following this template. Just follow me straight up, all right? If you are confused, you are not sure what we're doing, just let me know. I'm trying to look for the chart. Okay, I think the chart is somewhere. Yes, we can see you. Awesome, awesome. All right. Oh, sorry, Wilson. There's going to be a recorded video for this. Okay, so where is it? Fine. So this is where we are right now. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is just copy what is here. Just copy this and everything here like this. Come here and copy it. Just copy it like this. All right, copy it and come here and paste. You don't need to start writing all this and just copy it. Just copy it and paste. You can see it's there already. All right, come back here and check what's the first thing there. Copy it and paste. It's that simple. You can do this in less than 10 minutes. I don't know why it's taking time to. Okay, so this is it. I'm a bit slow because I'm not using a mouse. I'm using the mouse. Yeah, I'll use no, just paste as usual. So you see what I did? Paste as usual. All right. So free master class, I can reduce the space between them. All right. So I can go up a bit. Can you see? All right. Then I'll go back again and copy. without paying for ads. Now, remember I said I'm not paying for my ads yet. So literally, I ran this on credit. That's why I said without paying for ads. Okay, so if we say this, we won't be telling a lie. It is what it is. So I'll come here. You can see it's showing something else. So I'll just highlight this. I'll highlight without paying for ads. Come click on this one that looks like fire and search for yellow. Okay, and move it to the top until it's showing. All right, and that's it. I'm done with this. I need to go and change the background now. To change the background, I'll click on general styles. Okay, come here. I have an image that I will send to everybody. All right, I have it's already uploaded on my laptop. I'll send it to us on WhatsApp. You just come here and click upload, and it's there already. Now, like I said, we have this has already been done for you. You just need to copy and paste it. So we have some what's it called? We have some what we have some numbers that you need to adhere to. Okay, you just need to fine. I already have 5 visitors on my or maybe because I'll be clicking on it. So I'll just go there to my Franklin page. So you can see the color palettes, like the numbers, just copy the numbers that are there. Follow everything as it is. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, you don't need to design it from the scratch. Just follow everything as it is. I can do this in less than 10 minutes. I'm just taking my time because some of us, um, I mean, I'm doing it for the first time, so to see. So this is how it looks like on my dashboard. Okay. All right. Fine. So for I'll still come here and copy this. When I'm just copying and pasting, copy the join the free webinar, copy. Okay. Copy. Come here again. Copy. Copy. This is everything basically that I did in the first 1 week. I gave me the results. So I'm just gonna like I say fine, just copy my system and use that's what I'm saying in this landing page. So I said plus my secret follow-up system and scripts that work like magic. Okay, then I'll come here and I'll add um, where people can fill in their name and email address. All right. So here it shows. Look at the right hand side. It says custom field. Right. It's custom field. I can put anything there. So I go down to select and put. Okay. I'll just leave it. I think it's that email address. This one I'll come back here. Custom field first name. All right. First name appears. The next one custom field. It allows me to put whatever I want to put. Okay. So I can click on first name. Then instead of the first name, I'll put phone number. So phone number will replace first name. All right, so that's it. All right. Then when I get to this point, I'll look at what was here. It says join the free webinar now. So I'll go to mine and say join the free webinar now. Just click on that and highlight it. Double tap. If you're using a system, if you're using your phone, just you can use your phone to do this. Join the free webinar now. That's it. All right. So I think we have something like we won't share your details and all that. A disclaimer like a privacy policy. So you just click on that and come here. Okay, are you following? If you are following, let me know. If you are lost, let me know. If you are still with me, just drop me a 1. If you're excited about what we're doing, it's very simple, straight to the point. Don't worry, everything will come to place immediately. So now at this point in time, you're almost done. You can see it takes less than 10 minutes, by the way. You're almost done. What you want to do now is to check. Okay, let me check the charts. Okay, following closing. Awesome, awesome. Thank you. All right, so now look at if you go to my back end, all right, I'm going to send all all these what's it called, color palettes to you, so you can just copy and paste. For my opacity, I'm using 32%, so I'll come here and put 32%. General styles, okay. Opacity, I have 32%. You can see it's looking a bit dark. 32%, just move it a bit. Can leave it at 31 or 32, whichever one works for you. Okay, so I'm using 32%. Maria, okay, don't just hang on, right? There's going to be a video. I'm recording this right now, so just hang on, okay? Just hang on. All right, so I'll put my opacity from 32%. Then my phone background, I'll go back here and check. What's my phone background? Phone background, I have EA. I just copy this. Like I said, I'm going to make this available for everybody. Just copy it like this. Copy, come here and paste. All right, phone background. Just copy and paste. All right, I'll go back here, check my what next, my top background. I'll copy the palette there, the number there, and paste. I told you guys, it's very simple. Just copy and paste it basically. This is interfering with my screen. Okay. So the next is my top background. I'll just copy and paste it as well. All right. Then lastly, my background and bottom background. All this will be provided for you. You just need to get the what's it called? Get the numbers, copy and paste. Do you understand? So you paste this, gives you the exact same color palette that we used for the one that we made together today. So you can see we're almost done. What's left now is just the thank you page. You can see we use Playfair Display, Lato, and the rest. Let me see if there's anything we didn't do here. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? So color. So yes, that's it. So we're done with the first page. Basically, you can see it's that simple. There's no long talk. It's not, you don't have to rack your brain and start worrying about it. You get. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to search for it, open an account with your email address, with your password, then go and click on create. All right, then choose webinar. When you go to webinar, use Franklin. Franklin we used. When you use Franklin, just copy and paste everything that is there and follow this video again. And watch it back again to see what we did. All right, now the next step is to create your thank you page. Thank you page. I'm going to click here, this button here. You can see thank you page has popped up. So what did you use for thank you page? All right, I'll come back here. All right, like I said, everything will be provided for you, all the codes and everything. Just copy and paste. So I'll come back here and copy this and paste it. All right, I'll copy this first one. Wait, before you go, I'll copy and paste it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So I was thinking, thank you for signing up. Just wait before you go. Don't do this now. Come back here, copy and paste, grab your slot now before it gets filled up. You might still change this, work around this. All right. I know we have some great guys here. Now, no, there's a link here. Okay, so I want to show you how to create a link, a WhatsApp link that just redirects them to your WhatsApp instead of what's the word, putting your number there. You just create a link that directs them to your WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, then lastly, what you need to copy is, okay, I think there's one more thing you need to copy. Just copy everything that is here and paste it. Just copy and paste until you fill up everything that you're supposed to put. I think you need to do some, you need to, okay, fine. Here, check the color palette. So I need to reply, let me just reply, what's her name? Priska. Priska is supposed to be on this training, but I think she started running ads and she's getting um, leads. She's getting leads right now. So lastly, where am I? Okay, fine. So the color palette we use here, you want the color palette, come here, that thing that looks like fire again, click on it, you see 00E2FF, just copy it, you get the color palette for this. Yeah, there is already there. No, I think it's for the one I'm looking for is for this one. Yeah, everything is there. So just move on, copy this, you are in, copy you are in. I hope I've not lost you yet. It's very simple. I bet you. It doesn't take more than less than 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes. If you are, if I did this in 2 minutes, after I got it, I just did it in 2 minutes. You want to bold this a little bit. So come here and bold. Yes. So or you will make the entire color white. You want to make apart from the no, 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 no. This is not. It's not. Good. So you want to make the click here, make click here. Um, just come here. This is what you want to do. Want to make use 002E. Yeah, that's it. Have you 2EFF? What did I miss? Yes, that's it. So that's it. So after doing this, your next step is to generate a link. All right, this link that is mine. So just come here to create WhatsApp and go to create WA link. It will pop up. All right. So you come here, you see create WhatsApp links. All right. So you click on create link, come down, put your number. My number is already there. So here you want to put hi. I signed up. I signed up for your webinar and you asked me to chat you up. Okay, so that's it. This is how it's going to look like. All right, when you're done, you create generate link. It'll take you here to copy. Just copy it. Copy the link. Then come here and click on that. This one, this highlighted, this underlined. The click here on here. All right. Then you can see this one looks like ring. Click on it and input your link there. Just go here and input your link. All right, add link. Come here, click on that one that looks like link, input your link, add link, and you're good to go. So after this, just come, all right, save and publish. Save and publish, then I'll save and publish. Then I'll come here and click on share link, copy the link. So this is what will be on my ad. This is what will be on the ad. When people click on it, it will now take them to this page. So when they click on that, on the link, let me go and just let me search for it. Is this what I generated? Good. So look at it. So this is it. This is it already. So this is how it's going to look like. Just give me 30 minutes and I'll show you the exact step by step method I use to generate over 100K in 1 week using without paying out money for ads. Do you understand? Plus my secret follow-up system and things that work like magic. Bam! And everything is there. If the moment they submit their details, you will see their phone number and everything on your dashboard at the subscribe. So you go here to subscribers, click on subscribers, and okay, and You'll be able to see those who have been confirmed, the subscribers, those who have confirmed. I have 10 minutes to go on this. So I'm going to, because I want the video to end, we're going to get back on the training again so people can ask questions um, based on what we've seen. But it is this simple. So when people submit their details, it drops here. Those who confirmed, those who did not confirm, you will see it here. Or you have their email address, you have their phone number, and those who will come to you on WhatsApp will click on that link and it will pop up as, hi, I signed up for your webinar and you asked me to chat you up. Then you can now send them the webinar link and add them to a broadcast list. We'll be coming up with content with scripts that you use to follow up on them periodically from time to time. Don't go and start spamming them. We'll show you how to do it, when to do it. All right, so you can now begin to follow up on them periodically using our template. All right, so with this, you can do this in less than 10 minutes. I'll send you all the codes for the colors and everything. Just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Follow what we've done. You can go back to watch this video over and over again if it's confusing. I think this is the easiest. This is for webinar link only. And remember, we want to fill up our Zoom meeting for on Friday, starting on Friday, at least 1,000. I think we can even push it for Saturday too. If Friday is too close, we can push it for Saturday or Friday, as the case may be. But I know that you can start working on this right now. So this is what we want to use for the webinar tonight. I think, let me see. Let me see it here. I may just need to work on what is, I think it's one. Okay, so this is what we want to work on. You might put your face here, or we might just leave it generic as just leave this one. So we'll change what is here. Okay, since what's it called? We'll change it from how I generated over how it's blah 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 to how I made step-by-step process and all that. So we can use that caption or leave it like this or whatever. But I'm going to start. That's what I'm saying. I'm sleeping back tonight so I can work on all this and send to people who want to start running ads tonight. Ideally, your ads should start working tonight. Your ads should start go live tonight, so that we can start getting leads and start putting up on them and see their response and everything. Okay, so at this point in time, we have 7 minutes more. You can ask questions. I'm going to unmute everybody. Like I said, we can come back on this call for another 40 minutes so that we can just maximize the time. Like I said, we're not paid for the Zoom yet. We have about 19,500. Okay, so we'll be able to do that tonight. So that when we're doing that, we're using the paid version. So, but I want to unmute everybody so that we can ask questions. If you have anything that's not clear to you, you would be able to respond. Okay, and let me see. All right, fine. So at this point in time, you can ask your questions. Anything that's not clear to you, just drop it. We have about 9 minutes more, then 7 minutes or 6 minutes now. Like I said, we'll come back on this call. Then everybody can ask their questions and let us know if there are any areas that you're not sure of. But it's that simple. You can do that in less than 10 minutes. Just copy what we've done. Just copy and paste. All right. Sign up with your email address, phone number. Then go down to create. All right. Choose landing page, not form. When you click on landing page, you show you all templates. Click on webinar. On webinar, search for Franklin. Franklin. You get to Franklin. Just copy everything and paste. So you need to have 2 tabs open. One for the one that we've already done, and the other for the one that you are building. Okay, this video will be made available to you. We have less than 5 minutes to go. Okay, so just ask any questions, anything that's not clear to you. All right, you know how to create a link. Just copy, just go to create WA link, put your phone number, write what I will send to you, basically, then we're all good to go. Is that clear enough? Is that very clear? We have less than 5 minutes. If it's not clear, please ask me any questions. The floor is open. Wilson, how far? You have anything to say? Anyone that has questions, want to say something? Okay, you can unmute yourself and ask your questions. The floor is open for questions. This video was recorded, so I'll make it available for everybody to watch. By the time we come back on the call, we'll be talking about the campaigns we want to roll out. Sunday will run us through the Google site that he has created. He did some awesome job today. By the way, let's give it up for Sunday. Sunday Wilson, Madam Olayinka, and everybody else who has been a huge part of this. We thank you so much. The goal is to give everybody a support system where they can make it work for them and not leave you all by yourself. Okay. So Sunday did an amazing job. He created a video, step-by-step video on how to set up a landing page for Google site. That one is to drive traffic to an automated system where they can click on the link, watch the video, and go sign up and register. Those who don't pay immediately can now follow up on them. All right, using WhatsApp marketing that will be teaching you along the line. For those who, some people had access to the WhatsApp marketing course, awesome. You learn more from that. But I'll just distill my knowledge and everything I've learned, what I've used, how it works for me, and my scripts, everything will be made available to you, so you can just copy and paste. You get the next 90 days will be full of activities. In fact, if you are afraid of work, make sure that you begin to love it, because activities equals to results. The more activities we engage in, the more results we generate. And basically, it's going to be around calls, follow up, and all that. So you have to want to have data on your phone. You want to make sure you always have airtime. And as the money is coming, you want to make some withdrawal. Remember, what drives this thing is results. So as you begin to make some money, make sure you're taking screenshots like I did. Take screenshots and share with the people that have signed up, that have signed up but have not made payment, or those who actually join your Zoom. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. For those who will be coming through other campaigns, we'll be having these calls where we'll bring on people to come share their results. We'll be having Zoom meetings like what we'll be having on Friday or Saturday, as the case may be. So you can invite them over to come and see what we're doing. All right, you can invite them over to come and see what we're doing. Like, let me just show you what my okay, I have like 2 minutes more. Let me show you my dashboard. Like, I think one of us here, what's his name? Um, uh, VJ had somebody to come join this call, wanted to see my income claims. I made quite an amount of money in just about a week just doing this. And that's why you can see how pumped I am. I'm excited. I want to carry everybody along. And we want to achieve the 4 million naira in 90 days with a Range Rover. All right. The goal of this team is to actually execute that and make sure that at least everybody gets something, what's the word, huge from that. All right. And of course, we get to go on the trip. Nairobi, Kenya, Ghana. I want to go for everything, sincerely. And my joy is that everybody on this team would go for that, because I want to hang out with you guys. I had a wonderful time with Madam Olayinka today. She's an amazing person. Guys, we have the best brains in this team. We have the best minds. Olayinka is a phenomenal woman. She is somebody who has established herself as an authority online. She has a lot of people who follow her, who pay her on a monthly basis. I think the minimum is about 25K. I'm not kidding. All right. You go to business videos on Facebook. She has different campaigns. But she came here today, spent all day with me just to make sure we figure this out. She actually fed me. I ate to my fill. She gave me cake. Yesterday was her birthday. And she'll be coming back again tomorrow for us to continue. So this is not joke. This is real work, guys. This is real work. And that's why we want everybody to succeed in this. Left to me, if it's the normal affiliate marketing program that you know, just leave it to go do your thing. All right. But we want everybody to get results, and that's why we're doing this. All right. So we have less than 1 minute. We're getting back on this call immediately. Please, let's get back on the call immediately, just for 40 minutes or less. Then discuss the next steps for the campaign. I don't know if Kayla is here. Kayla, thank you so much for your contribution. Everybody, thank you so much. So I'm going to end the call right now, and we'll get back again to complete the rest of the meeting so that we can now ask questions and if everybody has any concern. And this video will be ready for you to watch as many times as possible. All right. Thank you so much for coming back again after this call.